We'll guide you through how to add a hyperlink text in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To add a hyperlink to text in Figma, first open up Figma on your computer and load into the design project where you want to add your clickable text link. Once your file is fully loaded onto the screen, find the text layer on your canvas where you want to embed the web link, and click on it once to select it properly. If you only want to turn a specific word or sentence into a hyperlink instead of the entire text layer, double-click inside the text box and highlight just that section of text. Next, open up your internet browser, locate the website link you want to connect, and copy the full URL directly from the address bar. Return back to your Figma window, and make sure your selected text or target word is still actively highlighted before continuing. Press Shift plus Control plus U on your keyboard, or Shift plus Command plus U if you are using a Mac device. As soon as you use the shortcut, a dedicated link input pop-up bubble will instantly appear directly over your selected text on the canvas. Click inside the empty input field and paste your copied website address straight into the box. Press the Enter or Return key on your keyboard to immediately lock the hyperlink into your highlighted text block. You will notice that a clean dashed underline automatically appears beneath the linked words, making it visually clear that the text is now an active clickable hyperlink inside your design layout. To review or test the destination later on, simply hover your mouse cursor over the underlined text layer to reveal a dark floating menu bubble. Look directly inside that floating menu and click the word edit located on the right side of the box if you want to alter, update, or completely remove the URL connection at any point later. You can also reopen the same pop-up menu anytime if you decide to replace the hyperlink with a different website address for your project. Finally, click anywhere on the empty gray background outside your design canvas to close the link configuration pop-up completely. Then glance at the top of the screen to confirm your file is fully synced before pressing Ctrl plus S or Command plus S on a Mac to securely save your project progress and avoid losing any of your recent edits.